EBSCO Discovery Service, EDS, features personalized dashboards, modern result lists, enhanced displays, greater citing and sharing options, and enhanced detailed record and viewer experiences. In this tutorial, we review the many features of EDS. Begin by entering your search terms in the search box. As you type, the autocomplete feature appears with popular search terms that you can click to execute a search in EDS. If Publication Finder is configured for your institution, publications matching your search terms may also appear. Or, you can apply any of the limiters below the search box. Click the magnifying glass to run your search. If you would prefer to use the advanced search with guided style search boxes, click the advanced search link. The guided style search boxes allow you to guide your search using different terms in varying article citation fields, such as subject terms, author, and title. If you need more than 3 search boxes for your terms, you can click the Add Row link to add more. Apply limiters from the Filters area and click Search. If a research starter is available for your search term, it will appear at the top of the search results list. Designed to enhance the research experience, research starters include links to relevant articles and images. The content is curated from a variety of high-quality sources, including Salem Press and others. You can continue to refine your search results from the result list screen by applying filters. Click the All Filters button below the search box to display them. Click the X to remove an active filter from your search. A locked icon indicates that filters are sticky and remain applied for your updated searches until you manually clear them. Click the arrows to open facets and display the available filters. You can use the search box at the top of a facet to search for a specific term to filter results. You can also sort facets by hit count or name. When finished, click the Apply button to update your results. The number of applied filters is updated on the All Filters button. Note that if configured by your institution, the All Filters panel may appear opened by default on the left side of the result list. If your profile is configured to use the Advanced Results page, the guided style search boxes are available. You can click the Search History link to view your searches from the current session. From the search history, you can combine multiple searches run during your session using the Combine with and or Combine with or buttons. On your result list, select an article to read by clicking the Access Options button and selecting a full text option from the menu. If only one full text option is available, the Access Now button will display that. To view more information about an article, click the title. To manage multiple results, use the checkboxes to select individual articles in the result list, or mark the checkbox at the top of the result list and click the arrow to select multiple records at once. Then use the tools above to download the article metadata, save the articles to the dashboard, add them to a project, share them via email or Google, or copy or export citations for the articles. The detailed record includes an article's citation information and links to full text when available. Use the tools at the top of the record to add the article to your saved items, copy a citation of the article in one of several formats, add the article to a project in your dashboard, share a link to the article via email, or download the full text or a file containing the article's citation information in one of several formats. From the online full text viewer, you can save or cite the article, add it to a project in the dashboard, share, download, or print it. You can also translate the full text, open or close the table of contents, view more articles from the issue of the publication, listen to the article via text-to-speech, or open the Accessibility Remediation Request form to request a remediated version of the article. The dashboard in EBSCO Discovery Service, available by clicking the My EBSCO link, is where you will find your saved items, projects you have created, and search and journal alerts. When signed into EBSCO Discovery Service with your personal user account, items in your dashboard are saved and can be accessed whenever you are signed in. If you are signed in through your institution and not with a personal account, items in your dashboard are not saved beyond your current session. You can create your own account by clicking My EBSCO and then clicking the Create an Account link. To learn more about EBSCO Discovery Service, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.